Google has introduced the latest Pixel 9a, which is almost ready to land in the local and global markets. It appears that it will be a sequel to the Pixel 9 series by adding the latest features and technology. Now let's move into the new Google Pixel 9a and see what it has to offer. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. First of all, there is a OLED touchscreen display with 6.3 inches screen size that will deliver the amazing resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels with 2700 nits peak brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate. Protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The smartphone will run on the powerful Google Tensor G4 4nm chipset. The smartphone has massive RAM of 8GB. There is a 5100 mAh battery cell that can run up to an entire day on just a single charge. That's all for now and thanks for watching.